Moong and Masoor Dal is one of those classic comfort foods for me that I have grown up eating and relishing. Well, for my kids, I have added a magic touch to this classic recipe and it has now become their favorite too. Let me show you how. I'm taking half a cup of Moong Dal and half a cup of Masoor Dal. Let's wash the lentils to get rid of all the impurities until the water runs clear. For me, it took 3 washes. I'm letting the dal soak in 3 cups of water for 30 minutes. While soaking the dal might not seem necessary, it helps our body absorb nutrition from the dal more effectively. The dals have swelled up, drain out the excess water. Time to cook them. In a cooker, I'm transferring the soaked dal, adding 2.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let the dal boil for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, once the pressure settles down, you can check the dal. Time to flavor the dal. In a deep pan, I am taking 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 pinch of asafoetida or hing, and 4 dried red chillies. Half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Next, I am adding 5 chopped garlic cloves, 2 chopped green chilies, and 2 chopped onions. Let this saute for a minute. Next, I am adding 3 grated tomatoes. You can even add chopped. And half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Saute for a minute. Time to add the boiled dal. At this point, you can add water if you want a thinner consistency. I'm adding 1 cup. Stir in and bring everything together. Simmer the dal for 1 minute. And now it's time for the magic touch, that is Maggi Masala-ae Magic. Did you know that they have launched a brand new box pack? You know how masalas when kept in boxes lose their smell and taste over time? That won't happen in this brand new box pack of Maggi Masala-ae Magic. This has 2 packets inside so that while you use one, the freshness, taste and aroma stays intact in the other one. Just 1 teaspoon is all you need to make the taste of any dish extraordinary. I am adding the masala from one of these sachets, making this everyday dal to something extraordinary. Mix it in and let the dal simmer for 2 minutes. My kids totally love the taste which comes out after adding the Maggi Masala-ae Magic. The way I have added it to the dal, you can add it to dry dishes, curries or any dal like this to make it yummier. Moong Masoor Dal is ready. Let's transfer to a serving bowl. I'm garnishing the dal with some chopped fresh coriander leaves for a final touch. Serve it up with hot rice or roti with whatever you do. Trust me, this will taste delicious. After all, this doesn't only have the mother's touch but Maggi's magic touch too. You can find Maggi Masala-ae Magic box at a store closest to you and the introductory price is just ₹42. Do give it a try. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.